Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk to you regarding one particular word. Okay, the word is whole. So when you hear the pronunciation whole, it reminds you of not only one word but also a few more words. So what are these words? The first one is H-O-L-E, whole, which means a sort of an opening. And the second word is W-H-O-L-E, whole, which means complete or full. And the third word is H-A-U-L, whole, which means to pull something or a large amount of something. And the fourth word is H-A-L-L, whole, which means a sort of building. Okay, so let's get started with the word whole with the spellings W-H-O-L-E, whole. Right, so let's have a look at these time phrases with the word whole. The whole day yesterday. The whole day yesterday. The whole day yesterday I was at home. The whole day yesterday I did some shopping. Someone asks you, where did you go yesterday? Well, the whole day yesterday I didn't go anywhere. And someone asks you, where are you going tomorrow? Well, the whole day tomorrow I'll be at home. I won't be going anywhere. I won't be going anywhere. The whole night, the whole week, the whole month, the whole year. So like that you can make phrases with the word whole. Then after a few months, you will be talking about this coronavirus pandemic. Then you will have to say, the whole of April, I was at home. The whole of March, I was at home. I couldn't go anywhere. Well, just listen to this example. I spent the whole morning watching TV. I spent the whole morning watching TV. So we use the sentence like this. I spent, the past tense of spent is spent, S-P-E-N-T. I spent the whole morning doing something. So you have to use the ing form. Watching TV, reading a book, doing some gardening, doing some cooking, right? So you can say sentences like this. I spent the whole evening sleeping. I spent the whole afternoon doing some work in the garden or doing some gardening. I spent the whole evening with my family. I spent the whole night watching a movie. I spent the whole morning with my kids. Then someone asks you, so what are you going to do tomorrow? Well, the whole morning I'm going to be with my family. The whole morning I'm going to be with my family. That means I'm going to spend the time with my family. Okay, so like that you can make nice phrases with the word whole which are used in your day-to-day conversation. So let's meet in another video like this. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.